expected to grow at an annual rate of 30% over the next 3 years. Yvonne Chan with more.
Things are heating up in Singapore's private equity space. Singapore-based venture capital and private equity firms managed a total of $26.5 billion last year. Meanwhile, U.S. private equity firm Colbert Kravis Roberts opened its Singapore office in October. Indonesian private equity firm Northstar Group has also made its first foray into the Singapore market. And experts say Singapore's location makes it a natural platform for global investors to set up base.
Singapore is becoming like Asia equivalent of New York and Silicon Valley. So we can play the role of a New York for private equity, the big M&A private equity players, and a Silicon Valley tech region for high-tech, high-growth companies.
While private equity transactions in Southeast Asia totaled $3.6 billion so far this year, investing in this region is not without its challenges.
U.S. private equity firms are familiar with corporate governance, and in Asia, I think personal relationships tend to be the predominant driven factors when it comes to deal sourcing as well as deal execution. So a change in terms of mindset, I think lots of focus on the personal element. This is particularly true in Indonesia. Most of the excellent companies are owned by family business, and in China as well, politics is a big factor.
According to research by the Singapore Venture Capitalist Association, approximately $6.4 billion worth of funds will be raised in Southeast Asia by the end of 2012. And with the rising affluence here in this region, market watchers say they expect more private equity firms from the U.S. to invest in the consumer, energies, and telco space here in Southeast Asia. Yvonne Chan, Channel News Asia, Singapore.
And this has been Asia Business Night. Thanks for the company. Good night.